Hi, this is Alex from PHP Academy, creating this video for the new Boston, and I'm back to tell you how we're going to unset a cookie. So we've already set a cookie, and in the last example we set this for 10 seconds. Now, just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to increase this to say a larger time. So I'm going to say 1000 seconds, just so we can show that it's working. So in view.php we can view the contents of the cookie. So if we just refresh at the moment, we can see that there's nothing set. So we go to set.php, that sets it. We can go back to view and you can see that the data is being shown, and that's corresponding to this data in here. Now what if I want to break this before the expiration time that I've set, which is 1000 seconds? Now you might think, oh, there may be some kind of function, you know, or unset cookie, or that says sunset, so unset cookie or something like that. But in actual fact, the way to do this is to reset the cookie. Now by this I mean we use exactly the same line of code. However, if we want to unset it, we just put a minus value in. It's as simple as that, and that will unset the cookie. So even though in this instance here we're setting the cookie, a line down we are unsetting it. So even when we access set.php that previously set our cookie, we've also unset it as well. So now if we were to go back and click on view, you can see that the name Alex doesn't appear because it won't be able to find this value because we have set then unset it. So why do you need to unset a cookie, or why would you ever need to unset a cookie? Well, the answer is quite simple. I've already spoken about login and registration systems. If you'd logged your user in and you're storing the fact that they're logged in a cookie, and you've maybe logged them in for 1000 seconds, if you wanted to log them out, you might have a log out button. Now when I click a log out button, we need some way of ensuring that that cookie is deleted and unset, so the user's no longer logged in. So obviously clicking a log out button would perform some kind of operation like this to ensure that the cookie's unset and the user's no longer logged in. So that's a simple example of why you'd unset a cookie, and that's basically a simple way, and well, I think the only way to unset a cookie in PHP.